I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by opening the remote. Remove the back cover and take out batteries right away so you don't short anything. Once done, use a small Phillips and a spudger to pry seams. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Inspect the battery tray and contacts for corrosion or bent springs, and visually locate any detached ribbon cable or cracked housing. Make sure to collect isopropyl 90% and a needle for contact cleaning, plus any replacement buttons or springs you identified. Next, focus on the electrical middle. Clean corroded battery contacts and circuit pads using isopropyl 90%. Apply gently and let dry. Once clean, reseat ribbon cable connectors and inspect solder joints. If a trace is cracked, carefully scrape enamel and apply a tiny solder bridge. Examine the rubber button membrane. If conductive ink pads are worn, either repair with conductive paint or swap the membrane. After reassembly of the PCB, insert fresh batteries and run a bench. Finish by reassembling the remote in reverse order. Align plastic tabs, seat the battery cover, and tighten screws evenly so the case sits flush. Once assembled, pair the remote to the Chromecast and test every button, volume, and navigation control. Watch for intermittent response, which signals a loose contact. If it still fails, perform a remote firmware reset or swap the RF/IR module if available. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent issues persist, reproduce the fault while probing contacts to isolate a failing joint or cracked trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.